In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple deals in Pipedrive with available contacts. We'll walk through a simple, repeatable workflow that you can use whenever you need to quickly create several deals for people who are already in your Pipedrive account. This is especially helpful if you're updating your pipeline after a campaign, an event, or a call list, and you want every engaged contact to have a related deal. First, log into your Pipedrive account and head straight to your Contacts section. From there, make sure you're on the People tab. This is where all of your individual contacts live, separate from organizations. If you're not seeing it, look for the main navigation at the top and select Contacts, then choose People. You should now see a list of all the people saved in your CRM. Next, find the contact you want to create a deal for. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to type in their name, email, or any other key detail you have. Once you see the correct person in the list, click directly on their name. This opens the contacts detail view where you can see all their information, past activities, notes, and any deals already associated with them. Inside this contact detail view, look for the option to add a new deal. You should see a button labeled Add Deal, often near the top or in the Deals section of the profile. Go ahead and click that. This opens a form where you'll enter all the information about the new deal you're creating. Now fill in the deal details. This usually includes the deal title, the value, the currency, the pipeline it belongs to, the stage where it should start, and any expected close date. Take a moment to be as accurate as possible here, because clear, consistent deal information will make your reports and forecasts much more reliable. If there are any custom fields your team uses, such as product type or region, make sure to complete those as well. When everything looks good, click Save. The deal is now attached to that contact, and it will appear both in your pipeline and under the Deals section of this person's profile. To add multiple deals for different people, simply repeat this process for the next contact. Go back to Contacts, open the next person's record, click Add Deal, fill out the details, and save. Continue this pattern until you've created deals for all the contacts you need.